Hello friends, I'm in Shinjuku Station's west exit right now, and Tokyo has only one tram left, which is like a streetcar left. Most travelers don't have an opportunity to be on it and leave Tokyo without even knowing the existence. And so today I'd like to get on the whole route of the Tokyo tram and explore if there's any station that are worth visiting for travelers. So today I'd like to pick 3 stations that are worth visiting for travelers. Today I got this Toei pass, Toei Marugoto pass that you can get on the Toei subway, Toei bus, and also the Tokyo tram, all operated by Tokyo government. So this is 700 yen and about $4, so very reasonable for a day ticket. The start station is actually in Waseda in Shinjuku City. So let's take the Toei bus to Waseda. I got off at the bus stop called Babashitamo, and that is right in front of the they're waving the hand. There's a Waseda station right there of the Tokyo Metro, Tozai Line. The tram's Waseda station is not here, so I had to walk there. But before that, let's explore this town, Waseda, for a while. And a must-see thing in this Waseda is this Inari Shrine. Very quiet, nice shrine. Oh, it's a very summer. I guess not many people coming into the shrine, so I don't see anybody, and very quiet here. So beautiful. The green is so beautiful. I like to pray for my dog. My dog is trying to go through the difficult time. This is the area they keep all the festival carriage. This is a really nice retro atmosphere. So, do you think it's worth visiting Waseda? I think just because of this shrine, I think it's a good place to get off. So again, I'd like to choose 3 stations to visit along the tram. Now let's walk towards the Waseda station of the tram. The tram is not leaving from this part of the Waseda, so let's look for the tram station. This is the college town of the Waseda University. They have like a reasonable chain restaurants and ramen shop. This is Tokyo Metro Tozai Line's Waseda station. And this is a Sodai Seimon bus stop, one after where I got off at Babashitamo. So this is one before the last stop. And all these university buildings are here. And this is the main building of Waseda University. Okay, so today there's an Okuma garden here, but it looks like it's closed today. So this is university cafeteria, but anyone can use it. Just the price is different if it's student or non-student. I got iced chocolate milk. And I can see Okuma garden. So I just had iced chocolate milk. It was good. She made it like a chocolate sauce with milk, and it was very easy going. It's weekday, but summer holiday, so not many people. So it's definitely not a place like lots of traveler comes, but this is where the tram starts. And now we still haven't found the station, so let's look for the tram station. Toden table. Toden means the tram. Toden table. It's mostly lots of seafood. So I got the spicy sashimi teishoku. Looks. So I ate at this Toden table. It's a compact Japanese lunch with mainly fish and chicken, but it was very good. So there should be a Toden station after this traffic light. So this is the Shinmejiro Street, kind of north side of Waseda, and The tram station starts from here, Waseda station. There's only one car that you get on from the front.
毎度東京桜トラム面張岩です。Next tram
Easy Street.
前、Kishibojim-mae、一橋上陸センター前です。世界のコーヒー
I go at this Kishibojim-mae station. This is close to the Fukutoshi Line's Zoshigaya station and also Ikebukuro station. Let's explore this area near Ikebukuro station. We are on the kind of highland of Tokyo. So near this station, there is a point you can overlook Shinjuku and called Nozoki-zaka Steep. So let's go there. Metro Fukutoshi Line's Zoshigaya station. And right here, there's a Nozoki-zaka Steep. And that is here, Nozoki-zaka Steep. On the cherry blossom season, there are one cherry blossom there that I came to film before. Big steep going down towards Shinjuku. So this is the north side of the Kishibojim-mae station, and this is the start of the street to the shrine. Suddenly it gets quiet and windy here. Kishibojin Keyakinamiki Street. I don't know how you can tell, but it's a really big tree on the street. This is Kishibojin. A very peaceful, quiet shrine, like old times we used to have in every town in Japan. It's hard to believe this is central Tokyo, something really nostalgic. And it's opened in 1781 and it's been here since then, but looks like it's not open today. If you go straight here, it's soon the Ikebukuro station's east exit. Inari Shrine. So do you think it was getting off at this Kishibojin-mae station? As you see, there's a little steep and shrine and temple I walked today. And the Arakawa line stop is very short in between stations, but just coming next to 3 stations, it's very different from Waseda side. I already have 2 stations, I think it's good to get off, but let's continue and decide at the end. But as you see, if you are nearby, it's a very good place to get off. Okay, so now let's get back to the tram. Oh, it just came. This is Otsuka Station, Yamanote Line. Otsuka-ekimae です。ありがとうございました。降り口は。What about the Otsuka Station? I just came here for the previous video about the north part of the loop of Yamanote Line. So for 2 continuous video of the Tokyo walk, I'm coming to this Otsuka station. Lots of chain restaurants, lots of stores in this Otsuka station, but definitely not a place many international travelers visit. So it might be interesting to see kind of the local vibe of Tokyo. So last time I saw the other side of the Otsuka station. So today I'd like to see more north side of the station. And so let's walk 1 station over the tram to the next station. Every time I come to Otsuka, I feel very interesting because it's so Tokyo, not known, but lots of buildings and not that many international travelers, and really Tokyo feeling somehow. So let's walk to the next station, Sugamo-shinden. It's a hotel and Sizzlers salad bar restaurant. Otsuka, lots of stores and bars, ramen shops. So let's walk 1 station to Sugamo-shinden station. Let's see where the Sugamo-shinden station is. So it looks like Toden station is always kind of hiding between the residential area. So I think this way. Oh, this is the rail of the tram. Oh, here we go. This is a tram station. Sugamo-shinden station. On the platform there's a Japanese sweets restaurant. Oh, there's a shaved ice. This is a Koshinzuka station. The street, we are kind of approaching to the street of Togen from the other side of the JR Sugamo station. Then, as you see, you already see the next step of the Toden there, so it's very close in between stations. So this is the street, Sugamo Jizo-dori street. Like I mentioned, Granny's Harajuku. Lots of stores popular among senior travelers or senior residents. Oh, very summer. It's like a summer craft festival they are doing. This Toden comes every 6 to 7 minutes in between, and on the weekend comes every 6 minutes, and it's 170 yen. So definitely, if you ride like me, better to get a 1-day pass of Toe. If you just want 1-day pass of this Toden, it's 400 yen. Now I got off at the Nishigahara 4-丁目stop, and I just thought I should get off at one random station that probably aren't much. So as soon as I get off, it's really middle of the residential area, and so now there are only 30 stations of this Arakawa line, but there used to be like 700 to 800 stops of tram across Tokyo. Even in the central Tokyo, like Ginza, Ueno, had this tram, but everything was replaced by subway and buses. So as you see, this Arakawa line has an independent track. It's crossed with lots of streets, but still it has its own track and doesn't go on the street. And most of the part it's like this. That's why they could survive. They were going to get rid of this one too, but originally these were 2 different lines. They connected these 2 lines that have its own track and kept it as Arakawa line. Tsukayama station, and here the train goes on the street, just like a regular streetcar. Most of the part it has its own kind of rail like this until here, but from here it goes on the street, just like the streetcar that we have image, or we can see in other cities in Japan. So the tram I got on is still here, but now it's time to move on. It's been a few minutes since I got off here, but the tram is still here, I think. Okay, now it's time to move. Okay, so I got at Arakawa-shako-mae. This is where the depot of the tram. So right after this stop, there's this rail going into this storage depot of the tram cars. So this is a real one that are active right now. And this is an old one. You can't enter today. Interesting, is American style looking vendors 50s classic milkshake store. Some stores, not sure if it's in business or finished. So now we are arriving at Arakawa-yuen, small theme park of Tokyo. Yeah, so I see the Ferris wheel, small Ferris wheel. Must be really hot, but I see people actually on it. So we got 1,800 yen. はい、お願いします。はい、ありがとうございます。I got the free pass for 1,800 yen, so you can get on anything all day, even though I have maybe only about 1 hour. こんにちは。あれ。Oh, okay, so I put the and this is 100 yen. The face came out. Do I just give everything or what? Yeah, it's good. That's so powerful. And it's gold. こんにちは。こんにちは、ゴートさん。はい、どうぞ。キャロットはどうですか？はい、どうぞどうぞ。今日かわいいかわいいかわいい。かわいいね、ちょっとね。かわいいですね。逃げてた。Not on Ferris wheel, but actually there's an air conditioning, so it's very cool. So I'm here right now, so it's exactly where the Sumida River that are going between the Tokyo Skytrain and Asakusa starts at this point. This is the area close to the Arakawa City Hall, Arakawa City, very kind of unfamiliar area for me, but it's really something more to discover probably. So right in front of the station there's a park like this. Oh, it's a nice kind of like a biotope. Oh, there's a bird. Beautiful. So this park continues towards over there, and this is our condos of Minami Senju Station. I think this is a water storage place, so a little smell on the air, some kind of the smell. The birthplace of sewage treatment and Minowabashi Mount. I arrived at the Minowabashi station. Long time no see here. I came here to make a Tokyo 100 things to do video. And since then, I haven't been here for about 2 years. This is a really downtown atmosphere place with lots of small stores. And on Commercial Street. Really old retro buildings. Hard to believe this is Tokyo. Oh, the little kind of diorama of the train. There's a diorama of a Toden Tram. Wow. How Tokyo used to be. I got the bread at this OSC. This is the last stop, the other side of the last stop from Waseda, Minowabashi station. And you see the tram just arrived there. So this train will go back to Waseda after this, and it takes about 1 hour from here to Waseda. So I think my 3 picks is Waseda station and Kishibojim-mae station and this Minowabashi station. I mean, actually, if you to come here, you can also take Hibiya line, which is it's very close from like Akihabara from here. But you can also take this tram and explore. It takes a little bit of time, honestly, and in between, there are lots of not empty, but just regular residential areas. But it's definitely kind of fun to be on it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have your favorite 3 stations and have a great trip to Tokyo. Have a great weekend until the next video.